In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on Instagram. Dark mode is a darker color scheme that many people find easier on the eyes, especially at night or in low light. It can also help reduce glare and make your screen feel a bit more comfortable to look at for longer periods of time. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each step you need to follow inside Instagram to turn dark mode on. First, open Instagram and make sure you're on your main home dashboard. This is the screen you see right after you log in, with your feed of posts in the center. If you're somewhere else in the app, like on your profile or in your messages, just tap the home icon so you're back on the main feed. It's important to start from here because that's where you'll find the menu we need. Once you're on the home dashboard, look towards the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see an option labeled More. This is usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or a small menu icon next to the Instagram logo, depending on your device or layout. Go ahead and click on More. This will open a side menu with additional settings and options that aren't visible on the main screen. In this menu, you'll see several choices related to your account, settings, and tools. What you're looking for here is the option called Switch Appearance. Take a moment to scroll if you need to, and once you spot Switch Appearance, click on it. This is the shortcut that controls whether Instagram shows in light mode or dark mode. After you click Switch Appearance, you'll see a toggle or switch specifically for dark mode. When the toggle is off, Instagram uses the standard light background. To turn on dark mode, simply click or tap on the toggle so that it moves to the on position. You should immediately see the interface change to a darker background with lighter text. This includes your feed, menus, and most in-app screens. If you ever want to go back to light mode, just repeat these same steps. Go to your home dashboard, click More, choose Switch Appearance, and toggle dark mode off again. That way, you can easily switch between light and dark depending on your preference or the lighting around you.